Hello friends, let's have a look on a new tool which is Invision. In this lesson, we'll be covering up first about Invision, then how to start Invision, then about its interface, then how to create a boards, then building prototypes using Invision, sharing and collaborating on boards, integrating Invisions into workflow, transform static design into clickable prototypes, sharing prototypes using comments and tour points. So these are the contents what we are going to cover in the Invision topic. Let's take a look one by one. First we'll see what is the another is saving and exporting Invision, exporting file. Let's take a look. First, let us understand about Invision. Like if someone had seen about Invision, this is a typically prototyping tool which collaborates and workflow online tool. Invision gives you clarity, collaboration and control of everything you need to power your design process. It allows you to efficiently and simple create interactive mockup for your wireframe and designs. If you see on the screen in a box which is iron written, so this is a logo of an Invision. So if you see this, so this is a Invision's logo. So Invision has started in 2011 as a simple prototyping online tool. When you have completed adding all the pages and elements to your prototype, you can then share it with your team or clients for feedback purpose. Next, let us take a look let's take a look on what's next. Now we'll see how to start an Invision. To start an Invision, we need a typical browser and a good internet connection, because as it's an online tool, so you cannot use it as an offline. Firstly, let us go to a browser which I had already opened. Go to a browser. After opening the browser, on address bar, click or type Invision Invision app.com. Press enter. Or if you are unable to find this, then go to the Google. In the Google search bar, type Invision and press enter. The first search result shows the same link. So once you get this link, click on that. The same link opens. Once you enter into the website or an application, you see on the top there's his app name, which is Invision. Then it has a platform tour, then the design education, then the design community and enterprise, which has again sign in and sign up for free. You can sign up for free. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. If you already have an account, then you can directly sign in. So in the background, the video is working, which shows that how the Invision works. So if we take a look, then you'll get to know. If you want to watch a video, just click on a watch video. It will redirect to the Invision tutorial. So coming down, it gives all the details about the application, how it works, how it not works. So let us go one by one. Now this is about our starting up the Invision. Now once you started, let us sign up for free as a new user. After clicking on sign up free tab, it will redirect to you and a new sign up page which says that get started absolutely free. And now let me tell you, it's a free application, free forever, no credit card needed. So it says that you don't need to pay anything. So now what we'll do, we'll enter your mail ID. Put your email ID over work email address. For for the test purpose, I had created for you a test or a dummy user ID. Let's use that. You can use your any mail IDs, which could be the domain, could be a Gmail, Yahoo, Reddit, it could be anyone. So once you put your email ID over here, then click on continue. Then the next step, it asks you to enter your name, for yourself I'll put it as a dummy user. Then put a 8 characteristics which should contain, which should correctly, like it should carry the alphabet numeric plus the symbol and the uppercase and the lowercase alphabets characters. I'll put it my own password. Then click on sign up button. You can skip this. So it will ask you a verified code has been sent to your mail address. Once you on the mail ID which you provide on the while registration. So let us go to my mail ID where the verification code has been sent. So the code is 819010. 8190. Once it is done, it asks you how do you want to work today. So being you want to work into the team, you can choose with a team, or if you are working alone, then you can choose a solo. So it doesn't like, so being as a team, what we'll do, we will take as a with a team. Then I'll create a team name which is like creative. Then the domain, let the domain could be app. What I'll do, I'll make it creative dot team dot user dot team. So dot 007. Okay, it's not taking the dot, so we'll remove this. Okay, now let's create team. So it's done. So for time being, I'll skip this. Here it asks you to enter the email address to whom you want to invite to work on the team. So you can add your team members by putting their email IDs over here with the separation of a comma. So for right being, I'll skip this step. So it's getting ready. Now you can see, so this is where we had landed to the dashboard of the Invision app. So I hope you had got how to enter into the Invision application, how to start the Invision application. So let's see what's next. Now we'll see the Invision interface. Like in the last chapter, we had seen how to log in or how to register as a new user and how to enter it. Now we are onto the dashboard. After login, we had entered into the dashboard. So if you see over here, now it asks you what you are. So there are multiple options. It says a founder, a product manager, or a researcher, or a designer, or engineer, or writer. Depending upon this template, it gives you the layout. So for us, being as a designer, what we'll do, we'll select as a designer. Click on the designer tab. It will take us to the interface. If it is the first time, it gives a tour. It gives a like what else all we can do in this. It shows how to create a prototype. It shows how to compare design tools, and it will ask you how to do a freehand tools. So what we'll do, we'll skip this tour. Let's take a look on Invision interface. So once we are on a home page, so you can go into the plus sign, click on it, and it will give you like multiple things, which is one is prototype, one is a freehand, one is a board, and then we can have a space also. Or you can start creating from here by clicking start creating button. Or you can just start with a design tool which has been a plugin of a Photoshop or a Sketch. If you download this graph, it will connect with your Photoshop and or a Sketch, which is for Mac, and Photoshop could be a Mac or the Windows. Now if you have downloaded this Studio, Invision Studio, then you can connect with the Studio also. So this is what about the interface of an application. So let's say inside a prototyping interface and a freehand interface. First we'll see a freehand interface. After clicking on the freehand interface, it asks you to the name of your freehand. What we'll do, we'll create creative freehand. I am giving a file name for that, a project name you can say that, and click on a create button. Then it will take you to the freehand page. It tells you explore idea in real time with freehand. So you can start drawing a freehand drawing by using tools. Let me explain you what are they. What we'll do, we'll start doing drawing over here. So here, if you see the interface of a freehand drawing, on the top it is showing the name of a file. Then on the right hand side it has the options. Under that it gives you the clear my drawing, clear everything, and create a new freehand drawing. In the next it gives you the change color of a pencil. I'll tell you where the pencil is. Then we can see the present over here by seeing the drawing how it looks. Then the dummy user account, and we have a share button where you can share the entire design with your teammates. On the below you can zoom or you can zoom out by pressing minus or by pressing plus sign. This is for zooming your stage, and this is for your help. And this is a keyboard which appears. Click on it. It gives you the property of your drawing what you are going to create over here. If you click on this, it asks you read the freehand guide. See, it says see what's new. Then send feedback for the Invision. We'll skip this part right now. So coming to the left hand side, you'll see on the top we have total 5 tools over here. One is a pointer. If you press V or 1, the pointer gets activated, or click on the pointer icon. This gives you to select the object of your stage. Then next is a pencil tool. Once you click on the pencil tool, it shows a 3 options. One is like 100% color, second is the 60% color, and third is a 20% color. With opacity it gives you to draw with this. So here this is not a color, this is a alpha of the pencil stroke or a pencil. So this is the color right now. It's a pink color. It has been chosen. You can change the color by selecting this pencil, and then going on the top at the right hand side you can see the change color. Click on it and it has a default colors which you can use any of this color to draw. So then we'll see one by one what are these 3 looks like. First I'll choose 100% from the pencil. Then now this is a draw stage where you can draw your own drawing. So this is with the help of the pencil I had drawn a rectangle on a stage itself. So you can draw or you can write anything. So you can write and you can erase also. Now I have taken with this 100% tool. Now we'll make it as a 60%. Let's see how it looks at 60%. Now if you see, there is a light difference. See, the color is same. I had not changed the color, but the color has been automated. Now it has become a transparent. See, it is on a top, but you can see the backside of the object. So let me zoom out. Let me keep it for 100%. So let's see, take a last one, which is the 20%. If I draw a line on this, you can see it has become a more lighter than the previous. So this is all about the tool. You can change the color, you can draw, you can change the color, you can draw a shape. Now you could be wondering what I have drawn, but I need to erase this. So you can go from here, you can erase my drawing, or you can click on everything, whatever it has been drawn over here, or whatever we had brought an image or anything on the stage over here. So I hope you have got what this pencil tool has. Now moving to the next tool, which is the text tool. Click on it. The shortcut of a text is T. Then with the text tool, you can draw a text box and you can write, if you want to write something in under this. See, it's not going beyond. I am not pressing enter, but it is not going beyond the something limit. Out of it, it is not going. See, it's coming next line, because I had taken the, see, this is the box line where it is getting automatically to the new line. Now I am go on writing beyond the box. Let's see what it happens. It is displaying, but when I click on, see, it's getting on expand automatically by the height itself, not by the width itself. So this is about, you can change the color of a text. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, if you want you can make it as a highlighter, you can make it center align, you can make it right align, or you can make it at a left align also. If you want to write without a box, text box, then just enter with your see, just enter and go on right and drag the box as per your length of a requirement. If you want like this, you can do that. You want to place, replace, you want arrangement, you can do it by, or you can copy and you can paste it. See, I had Control C, Control V. The copy paste are same. There is no change. Keep this as a left align. Keep this as a center align. So you can do whatever you want. You can play around with the text. If you don't want this, you can delete it directly by pressing or delete from your keyboard. Now you can just go over here, then you can do it clear everything or clear my drawing. It will not work because text is not a drawing. A freehand whatever you have drawn with a pencil will get deleted. Now see what I'll do. This is my freehand drawing. Now I'm a text. Now on a stage we have a text and the freehand drawing. So if you want to delete this, select this and then press a delete. This is one option, but you need to select each one object what you have created with the pencil tool. So instead of this, what I'll do, I'll go to the menu, then I'll clear my drawing. Only the drawing which has been created with the pencil gets erased. See, it gone. So if you want to delete this, if you want to clear your entire stage, one option is select one and delete. Okay, now the second is from the mouse, select all the things and you can delete it. Now go to your tab, then clear everything. So whatever you have done on your stage, it gets clear. So now you have seen the pointer, pencil and the text tool. Let's move to the next tool, which is a shape tool. This shape tool is, let's see how it works. In the shape tool, we have a three sub-shape tools, which are a rectangle, then we have a circle, then we have a line tool. First, let's see the rectangle tool. Click on this on the stage. So you can, by dragging with your mouse, you can draw any type of a rectangle shape on your stage. So you can change the outline with the opacities. You can change the opacities. Now you can fill the colors. You can change the fill color with any color. So here by default there are 12 colors which you can use it. See, you can use any color of a fill and the outline. If you don't want fill color, then you can do that. If you want, you can keep it. So this is about your rectangle. So we can reshape it once you have drawn. Now you can change the color from here also. Now you can change the color from on the top are three options. So this is our rectangle. Now let's see what's next into the shape. We have a circle. With the circle also, you can draw ellipse or the circle by holding the shift key. Now you can draw ellipse. You can change the color. You can add the full color. You can change the outline opacities. So this is what you can draw ellipse. You can draw one more ellipse. You can play around as this is as equal to your paint what we were used to do in our schools. As the window has the paint, this all the basic option is under this. If you don't want, you can delete it by pressing the delete key in your keyboard. Now the third is a line tool. If you want to draw a line, we can draw, click and drag and leave the mouse. So you can draw the line. One line at a time. If you want to draw once again another line, then click on again a line tool and draw the line which where you have left, but it will not get connected. it will be a separate line. You can move the lines as per your design requirement. You can change the line colors out of from the 12 colors. You can change it to the any colors which they had provided. So this is all about the shape what we have in the Invision freehand tool. Then we have the next is image tool. So after clicking on the image tool, we have real-time syncing from the Photoshop. Now you can upload the image from your computer. So let's do it from a computer because right now we'll not do this itself. If it is connected to your Photoshop or from the sketch, then we can do it over there. Now what we'll do, we will upload the image from our computer. Let's take something image from our desktop. I hope I have something images for you to show it. So there are some images which we'll see how we can do that. So here are the images which I'm going to upload into my freehand drawing book. So freehand application. I selected the images. I got the images what I had on my computer. So here you can rescale the images as per your requirement. So never stretch the images from one side. If you want to stretch, then press a shift key and then drag from your mouse. So this is about adding a picture on your artboard, on your stage itself. So you can add or you can delete it. So this is all about your freehand interface. You can change the shortcut key of your keyboard by pressing the keyboard icon below to your screen. Like you can, if you want to the shape direction, press Alt, shape fill, then Control E. These are all the shortcut keys. If you want to change, you can change it by clicking it. Sorry, we can't change it. We can just see it over here. So this is all about for learning yourself. So let's see something. What we can do to know something like I'll fill this. I'll take this color. I'll fill it and I will take one more shape as a button and put this color as a dark color. I'll fill this. Can you see that I'm changing a single box color, but the color of all the shape is getting changed when it was on the same stage. So never put on this and change the color. So it will get change of both shapes. So put it out of the shape for this and then change it. I'll use this as my button. I'll write here as login. For this, I'll use something a dark color or the right color. Okay, this looks good. And this, I'll put it something more darker. Okay. Imagine this is my, I'll put some image. Okay, this is just a dummy screen. Now we want to see the screen into my present mode. After doing this, I'll press the present mode. By clicking this, so it will show to your teammates to whom you had added into the while making the team you had done. So this, if you want to stop presenting, you can stop it. Once you are done, you can present it. Now many of your team members can work at a time, or they can see what you are doing on your screen. So this is all. Once done, you are stop this. Then once you are done, you can share this by pressing share. Now you can add your people or a teammate by giving a name or the email address. Then you can give the access to your teammates by just they should view or they can edit. By going into the settings, anyone with the link can be open this document. Members of a creative with their link, people invited, can edit, draw or view, cannot just view it. So once you are done, save it and add to the members. All the members can access your file as per your permissions. So this is all about the freehand template or the freehand layout. Let's see what is next. So once you are done, if you close the browser, this will get automatic save in your file. It has an automatic save draft which saves in your system with the same file. So once if the net goes off or the current goes off, then the automatic it will get saved in your account. You can again re-log in and you can see into the freehand tool with the same name. You can open it and you can reuse it. Let's see what is next. Now we have gone through with the freehand interface. Now let us see in the Invision, we'll see the prototype interface. Go to your home page. And see your recent view document appears over here. You can delete it or you can move it or you can share it from here directly. Now we had seen the freehand. Now what we'll do, we'll see the prototype part. Click to the prototype, then select on which device you want to show the prototype. Here it gives a multiple layouts or a template on which you want to show your prototype. You can choose if you are designed for the desktop, then choose a desktop. Your design is for iPhone X, then choose the iPhone X template. If your design is just for iPhone, then you choose an iPhone, then Android goes on iPad, Android tablet or the watch. So as per your design, choose your template, then give a file name which is like mobile. You can give any name as per your choice. It should be unique, then you can remember that what type of file it is. What we'll do, we'll put it Android Android mobile prototype. So now click on create. It creates a screen of an Android screen. So here you can see on the top it is giving your file name Android mobile prototype. So it gives when it has been edited. Then under this, it gives a create freehand drawing or a change device type, or if you once you are here, now you got to know that okay, now I need iPhone X, you can go here and you can change the device type. I'll take it, let will not change it. Excuse me. Now once you are here, again we have a file, we can pick it from Photoshop and the sketch. Now we can directly take it the files from the studio of Invision, or we can browse our files, or we can drag and drop the files. Let's we take some drag from the offline files which we had created in XP. Let's browse it. We'll go to the desktop, then output, then we'll select our 4 screens and we'll open it. So here the all screens appears. It can be appear as many as you want, you can put it. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom and you can see that. Or if you want to search, if there are many, then you can search from here, search what file you are using. Now we'll see the login screen. See, as per my search, the file shows over here. What I'll do, I'll just put it login. Login screen. And see, as per the name, the file gets appear over here. It is best idea that give the name for your file while saving the files. We'll remove this. Then all files appears over here. Now you could be wondering what is this plus sign again. Once you click on this, you can upload more screens from the upload screen, or from the sketch, or from the Photoshop. Now you can just drag and drop the files over here. If you want to view this screen, just click on the view screen which has been written over here. Click on it, it will show the screen. See? See, the entire screen is showing into the mobile itself. We can see that how it looks into the output of your screen. Let's go to again a build mode. Let us see all the screens again. Going back to the build mode, you can see all the screens on your desktop. Now on the top here, once you take your mouse on the screen, it gives a 2-3 options over here. One is on the left hand side, there is a circle. If you click on this, it will get selected, and if you click on this, it will get selected. So you can deselect it, or you can select and you can move it to any of the into a folder. You can create a folder below and you can put that screens into over there. I'll make it as a deselect, and let's see what are the 3 dots shows up. Under this, you can put this into the folder, or you can delete it. See, it asks you to archive this file, its screen. We can archive this or we can cancel this. Now we can delete it. It will ask you to shall I delete, or you want to don't delete it, cancel it. Right now we will not delete it. So for each thing it has the options. So once you are done, so now we need to prototype this. So this is all about the interface of your prototype screen. So on the top we can create freehand, change device, we had seen that, and we can delete our prototype file and we can create new. So this is all about a prototype interface. So till now we had seen the prototype interface and the sketch interface, freehand interface of Invision.